everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to help you solve a common problem which many iOS developers face during test flight or App Store beta app review. We were unable to successfully access all or part of your app. Like as you can see, here is mentioned we have started your beta apps review but we were unable to successfully access all or part of your app. In order for us to continue the review, we need to have a way to verify all app features and functionality. Typically, this is done by providing a demo account that has access to all features and functionality in your beta app. It is also acceptable to include a demonstration mode that exhibits your app's full features and functionality. Note that providing a demo video showing your beta app in use is not enough for us to continue the review. So why this happens? Why app review can't access your app? Basically, the app review team needs to test all features and functionality of your app. If they can't log in, if something is locked or if setup is confusing, they will stop your review and ask for help. So what they need? What app review needs is simple. Either a demo account that unlocks everything or built-in demonstration mode inside your app. Like we have to add a skip feature uh, to go to the main screen without logging their account. So how to fix this? First, firstly, either you can create a demo account and this demo account should have access to all the features and functionality. No restriction, no subscriptions required. And the secondly, add the demo login details inside the App Store Connect. Like they have mentioned all the steps here. Like firstly you have to log in to the App Store account, then click on My Apps, then select your application, navigate to the Test Flight tab, select Test Information, scroll down to Beta App Review Information, select the Sign In Required box, enter their demo credentials with username and password, click Save. And you can also save these demo credentials within the main page. Let me show you. When you click on the application within the App Store Connect platform, then you have to go to the distribution platform. After the distribution page, you have to scroll down and you will see this sign in required text boxes. You have to save the username and password here. And we have some special cases, like there are some special cases which you want to tell the app review team. If your app needs some special features or like location access, some permissions or special hardware, make sure to tell app review in your notes. You have to add those notes within this text box. Also, clear instructions will save you from delays. Alternatively, you can build a demo mode into your app where users can skip login and preview the full app experience. But remember, a video showing your app is not enough. They need to actually use the app themselves. Always double check that your demo account works before submitting and keep it active during updates, because app review might reject your app later. You can also create a demo video of the application and upload that demo video within this attachment. So this will also be helpful for the app review team to check all the features and functionality of your application. So that's it. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on iOS development and app publishing. Thanks for watching and good luck with your app review.